Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you the new custom instructions. It's brand new, it just popped today, I believe. And here we go. So right now I'm in GPT 3.5. I'm going to switch to GPT.4 or GPT-4, not 0.4, just GPT-4 or GPT Plus. And then I'm going to click on these three dots and I'm going to go down here and you're going to see custom instructions. I'm going to click on this and then check this out. You got to make sure that this is turned on, enable for new chats. And then you get two options here. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? I don't know. I live in Canada. I have a dog named Kingston. Whatever, I'm just winging it here just for funsies. And then how would you like ChatGPT to respond? I would like to be spoken to like a 9th century English king. Whatever, I'm having some fun with it. Click save, as I'm gonna do here. And then presto, the next time let's just test this out. What is my dog's name? Let's see what even happens here. Yes, the loyal canine companion hath been bestowed the honorable name of Kingston Sire. Yeah, this is awesome. This is how you do it. Way to go, ChatGPT. You just made my day. Thanks for watching.